I'm Joanne, that's Adam behind the camera, and we are the couple from InspiredTaste.net. Today we are making sauteed vegetables that are easy, quick, and delicious. There's a bunch of garlic and a little bit of butter stirred in right at the end. Let's go make it. Let's prepare the veggies first. We need minced garlic. We like a heaping tablespoon, but feel free to adjust up or down to your tastes. Next, we need some onion. I'm chopping one medium onion into half-inch pieces. Now for some color, we use bell peppers. Use whatever color bell pepper you have. I love using orange and red. Chop them into a similar size as the onion. And finally, some zucchini and yellow summer squash. You can use one or the other, but I love the extra pop of color we achieve by using both. Heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a wide skillet over medium heat. Then toss in the onions and cook them until they begin to sweat, about 2 minutes. Now stir in the other veggies and saute them until they are tender. Finally, add a little butter, salt, pepper, and the minced garlic from earlier. And that's it. Quick and easy sauteed vegetables. I love these so much. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.